Welcome, my dear learners. Hello, everybody. I hope everybody is doing well. This video is on chapter number 9 Arranging Slides Using Views in Microsoft PowerPoint 2013. In the previous chapter, that is Introduction to Microsoft PowerPoint 2013, you learned about what are slides and what is a slideshow. You learned how to create PowerPoint using slides and different components of PowerPoint. You also learned to add themes to a presentation. We also learned to save a presentation and to close the presentation. In this chapter, we are going to learn about the different types of views in Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's begin. A slide, the slides of a presentation can be viewed in different ways. PowerPoint offers the following views: normal view, slide sorter, notes page view, reading view, slideshow view, outline view. You can switch between different views either by using different options present in presentation views group under the views tab. So the you can view the different views in the from the views tab, and these are the presentation. This is the presentation views group, and these are the different available views, or by using the views button on the status bar. So learners, this is the status bar, and here also you have different options of the views like normal, slide sorter, reading view and slideshow view. Normal view. This is the normal view of a PowerPoint. It is default view that displays the thumbnails of the slides in your presentation. On the left, and the current slide for designing on the right side. You can use this view to create and design slides by adding text, pictures, charts, and tables to the slide. Rearrange, add, or delete slides from the presentation. Add notes related to the content for the slide by clicking on the notes button. These notes are not visible while viewing a slideshow of the presentation. However, the printouts of these notes can be used by the presenter himself while delivering the presentation or distributed to the audience for their reference. So, students, you can write your notes over here. Next is the slide sorter view. The slide sorter view displays thumbnails of all the slides in your presentation. This view can be used to change the order of the slide by clicking and dragging a slide to the new location. I'll click this slide and I'll drag this slide over here to change the location of the slide. Again, I will drag the advantage of reading everyday slide, and I'll get it over here to change the position of the slide. The second use is it provides an overall view of different slides in the presentation. Can you see? I have an overall view of all the slides present in my presentation. And the third is insert or delete slides. You can also insert a new slide and delete a slide. So if I want to insert a slide over here, I have to click and go to Home tab, click on New Slide, and a new slide will be inserted. Similarly, I can also delete the slide I want. So if I want to delete this slide, I have to click on it and I'll press delete from my keyboard, and my slide is deleted. Next is the reading view. So it is in View tab, and the next is Reading view. The reading view can be used when you want to view the slides as a slideshow, not in the full screen mode, but within the window. Can you see? The slideshow has started in the window. It is not in the form of the full screen view. You can see the status bar below. In this view, controls appears on the status bar that can be used to the status bar can be used to play the slideshow on your computer when you're not showing it to the audience. Move between previous and next slide using controls on the status bar. You can click on the arrow to move to the next slide and to the previous slide. The controls on this window allow you to switch to the other views. You can also switch to the other views from this window. Next is slideshow view. Now, the slideshow view you can see on the status bar down. This is the slideshow view. The slideshow view is the sequential display of slides in the full screen mode. You have already seen this slideshow view in the previous chapter. The slideshow view is used. So how can we begin the slideshow view? We have to go in the slideshow tab. If you want to start from the beginning of the slides, you have to click on the beginning. And if you want to start from the current slide, you have to click on the current slide. So I will start the slideshow from the current slide. Now, the slideshow view is used to play the slides when you want to show your presentation to an audience. Check the effects that you have applied on the text and other objects on the slide. And students, you're going to learn more about applying the effects to your slideshow in grade 5. Next is running a slideshow. There are multiple ways in which you can start a slideshow. These are using the start from the beginning on the quick access toolbar, as we have learned in the previous chapter. From the start option, from the quick access toolbar, start from the beginning option can be used for starting the slideshow. This option will start your slideshow from the first slide. The second is clicking on the slideshow button in the status bar. This option starts the slideshow from the slide you are currently on. Or the next one is click on the slideshow tab. Choose from the following option in the slideshow group. From the beginning, as I told you, to start the slideshow from the first slide. From the current slide to start the slideshow from the slide you are currently on. Now, the PowerPoint offers the following keyboard shortcuts that help you to run a presentation during a slideshow. So, to move to the next slide, you can use the following keyboard shortcuts. Page down, right arrow, down arrow, enter key and the N key, the letter N key. Next is to move back to the previous slide, you can use the keyboard shortcuts as page up, left arrow, up arrow, backspace and the letter P key. Next is end the slideshow. You can use the keyboard shortcuts as escape and control plus break key. To go to a specific slide, you can use the keyboard shortcut as number of the slide plus enter. I hope you will remember the keyboard shortcuts. Next is the notes page view. The notes page view is available only from the view tab. This view can be used to view the notes added by you, add notes for the slide. You can add the notes over here. Print the slide to be given to the audience for their reference as it displays an image of the slide along with the notes related to that slide. The next view is the outline view. Now here I am using the PowerPoint 2010. So my outline view is not present in the presentation view group. For me, the outline is present here in the navigation pane. So when I click on the outline, this is the outline view. Those who are using the versions greater than 2010, they will have outline view available in the presentation views only. So you can directly go in the outline view for getting the outline of your slide. So the outline view can be used to view the text of the slides in the outline form. Can you see whatever text is there on my slide? It is there here in the outline view. This is the text on the first slide. This is the text on the second slide. This is the text on the third slide. Next is arranging the slides. While working with slides in the PowerPoint, you may want to delete some slides or change the order of the slides in a presentation. Let us discuss ways to perform this task. Deleting slides. To delete a slide, select either it in normal view or in the slide sorter view and press the delete key. So if I click on the normal view, I go in the slides. If I want to delete any slide, I can first I'll insert a blank slide and I'll show you how to delete it. Now if I want to delete this slide, I can click on the slide and I can right click on it and I can click on delete slide. The slide will be deleted. You can also go in the slide sorter view and do the same. You can insert a slide and if I insert a slide, I can also delete it by right clicking on it and click on delete slide. Changing order of slides. You can change the sequence of the slides by using one of the following options. Select the thumbnail of the slides in the normal view and then drag it to the desired position. If I want to change the position of the slide advantage of reading every day, I can just click on it and I can drag to the position wherever I want it. So now it has become the fourth slide. Again, if I want to make it the third slide, I should click on it and I can drag it to the position I want. It has become the third slide. Similarly, you can also do this from the slide sorter view. I can change the position of the slide. So if I want the second slide, that is benefits of reading, to come to the fourth position, I can just drag it and drop it to the position I want. Again, if I want to bring it to the same position, I can drag it and bring it to the position I want. I hope learners, you have understood the views in PowerPoint. What are the different views? Normal view, slide sorter view, notes page view, reading view, slideshow view, and the outline view. You must have also understood how to delete and how to change the position of the slides in a PowerPoint presentation. Keep practicing and keep enjoying while learning the PowerPoint